Hey credit warriors, welcome to the video, and today we are talking about the Coinbase IPO, which is happening today. Maybe the first shares have already traded hands by the time you're watching the video, and we are asking the question, should you buy the stock? So first of all, what is Coinbase? Well, Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange and app with 43 million users, and they probably like it because it is incredibly user-friendly and intuitive. Think of it of a sort of crypto version of Robinhood. But unlike Robinhood, when you buy crypto assets on Coinbase, those assets really are held by you. You can send them off the exchange to a crypto wallet that can then be disconnected from the internet, the best way to hold crypto. And Coinbase actually also has a wallet app where you hold the crypto assets on your smartphone. And so the Coinbase app and the Coinbase wallet app are both really easy to use. And this is one large reason why Coinbase is really bringing crypto to the masses and is now able to IPO on the market. Now, NASDAQ has set Coinbase's reference price at $250 per share, which would give the company a valuation of over $50 billion. However, some analysts have set their valuation even higher at around $100 billion. And that would give it a valuation higher than the NASDAQ company itself, which is crazy because both these two companies essentially do the same thing. They are exchanges, okay, allowing people to buy and sell stocks or crypto assets. It's just that Coinbase is making a lot more money per trade than NASDAQ, and we'll get to that in a moment. But some have called this valuation ridiculous, and there are reasons why. So what do I think about these valuations, and should you buy the stock? Well, if you like the sound of that and you want to find out more, please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this every week. Turn on bell notifications so you never miss a video. And also do remember that this is not financial advice, just sharing opinions. Let's go. So the first question I ask when looking at an IPO is the company profitable? And in this case, it is. Coinbase did turn a profit in the year 2020. You can look at its S1 filing for the IPO. In 2019, it was not profitable. It made a loss, but it actually doubled its revenues in 2020, and it did turn a profit. Now, there have been many IPOs of companies that are not profitable, but they still went okay, like Uber, for example. It has increased in price nicely since the IPO. I got in at $14 during the depths of the stock market crash last year, and we're now at close to $60, or maybe even at $60. But when a tech company is profitable and it meets a large market need, the stock really can just soar to the moon. And Zoom Communications is a prime example of that, okay? It was profitable when it went to market in its IPO, and obviously Zoom services have come in super useful during the pandemic with so many people working from home. And that was reflected obviously in the stock price. So looking at Coinbase, or Coin, C-O-I-N as the ticker will be, we have ticked the first box. It is profitable, but is it meeting a market need? Well, the number of monthly active traders on the platform has been steadily increasing since they crashed along with the price of Bitcoin back in 2018. The number of institutional traders on the platform has also been increasing too. And in general, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are becoming a lot more accepted in society, and there is a lot of interest in buying them amongst the average person. You've also got a lot more institutions coming in and buying large amounts of Bitcoin, probably stabilizing the price, okay? And hey, you can buy a Tesla with Bitcoin now. So yeah, there is a market need there in my opinion. It's kind of like electric vehicles actually. It's sort of a fledgling market. We are yet to see widespread adoption of cryptocurrency for actually buying things, but it does look like it may be coming in the future. So in my opinion, we have ticked the box on market need, but what are the risks? Well, Coinbase lists out a load of risk factors in their S1 filing, and these include their dependence on trading activity, regulatory changes, breaches of security, and this one, pricing for our products and services. And I think that this one is a big risk that can't be overlooked, which is basically crypto exchanges fighting a kind of battle to lower trading commissions in a sort of race to the bottom. David Traynor, writing for Forbes, thinks that as the crypto market matures, it could crush the profitability of Coinbase and other exchanges by as much as 98%. You see, in the year 2020, Coinbase collected an average of 0.57% per transaction. If you compare that with traditional exchanges like the NASDAQ, they collect 0.01% on average. So the argument goes that as the market matures, we will see more competition between different crypto exchanges on trading fees, just like we have seen with the traditional stock market brokerages over the last 5 years or so, with Robinhood leading the way with zero commissions, and later on, all of the other traditional brokerages basically lowering their prices and now they've all basically committed to 0 commissions on stock trading. And if you're interested in stock trading or buying Coinbase's stock with no fees, why not check out Webull? Their charts are much better than Robinhood. Basically, I think they're a more professional app in many ways, and you can actually get 2 free stocks for signing up and funding your account. If you're interested in that, link is below. But crypto trading isn't stock trading, and so there's no guarantee that this race to the bottom will happen in the same way. Actually, it may not. And in my opinion, Coinbase as a tech company has so many options for expansion if this sort of race to the bottom really does start happening, okay? So when you have a big user base like they have with 41 million users and growing, you could expand in so many other different ways. For example, you could start offering bank accounts, debit or credit cards, where you start collecting merchant fees from stores and not your users, or you could offer subscription models that give access to more accurate data for trading. The list goes on. And Coinbase say this themselves in their S1 filing. Our verified user base represents a sizable opportunity to offer our expanding suite of products and services with minimal incremental sales and marketing expense. Well, that's right, because you just send out an ad about a new service through the Coinbase app or through your user's email to your database of 43 million people, and hey, you'll have a load of people sign up. And you can see that with Robinhood as well, who started moving from stock trading to starting a bank account. Robinhood debit card didn't go too well from them, but hey, I think Coinbase can do a better job. So now we know some of the advantages and the potential risks. What do I personally think? Well, I think Coinbase is a buy. I'd like to compare it to companies like Tesla. It really could become the next superstar of the market. You know, with Tesla, that company was not profitable for years. But with a lot of investor interest combined with a bit of short squeeze and the huge potential of the EV market, a market which really hasn't been tapped anywhere near its potential, the stock went to the moon. For Coinbase, one analyst's opinion that I read gave it a target price of $600, but it came with a warning that the stock will not be for the faint of heart. I suspect that the stock will be very sensitive to the price of cryptocurrencies, which are volatile, so we will see wild swings in the price of Coinbase's stock as well. So for my investment plan with Coinbase, here is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy in today with a small position, just a few $100. I'll probably move over some of my Amex points from my Amex Charles Schwab Platinum into my Charles Schwab account. This is just so I have a foot in the door, and then I will start observing the price. If we go up, I will probably dollar cost average in. If we go down, I'll wait to see signs of a reversal and then dollar cost average in as we come back up. Generally, you need about 6 months or so for the price of an IPO to really stabilize. But with this one, it isn't a traditional IPO. So if the price of crypto assets surge, hey, Coinbase could just surge and go to the moon as well. So guys, that's the video. If you do want to buy Coinbase stock, check out the Webull brokerage app. You can get 2 free stocks just for signing up and funding your account, link below. These kind of investing videos, I normally put them on my other channel, The Business Shufu, but this one was just so big that I thought I'd put it on my main channel. If you want to subscribe though to The Business Shufu, link will be on screen in just a moment. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments about Coinbase below. Are you going to buy in today? Let me know what you think, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.